tough day in the office with our big dad. Oh, gotta get home. Might go make myself a cup of tea and some biscuits. Oh, hello! Today we are back with another Harry and Dad Autos, and today we get the gearbox back on. So, I'll walk you through what we've done. Flywheel. Old flywheel. Box. I think it's over there. Where's the box for the new flywheel? Okay, we go. Clutch plate and everything. New flywheel under. We're going to get it all unpackaged and show you what we've got to change today. Let's go. Okay, we're rolling. Like a century. Okay, so that's the new flywheel. We need the fucking what? Torque thing. Torque specs. No, the wrench. Wrench. Is it like just 120 is all it was?
Yeah, 120.
No, like 90 degrees. Right?
No.
That doesn't feel very tight, that's not, does it? So this has got Loctite on.
Since they've got Loctite, so they will get hard.
I don't know which ones I've fucking done now, dickhead.
Just go back through them all.
You don't feel anywhere near as tight as it came off, like.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna go tight.
Huh?
I'm gonna go tighter.
Oh, right, okay.
Right, don't move it this time, I know which ones I've fucking done. Hold it in with your hand, hold it.
Move your fingers. Don't move. I can't see because you're bloody torque wrench. Right.
I don't think it's quite flat like that. I mean, you're still 30 newton meters over the torque spec. I feel tight in front.
Yeah.
Right, you set the clutch up now. Right. So we're going back out the car for this bit.
Yeah.
So line it up with a plate.
Line it up.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's all around it there, yeah?
Yeah. Hola, and welcome back. So, I sped up with a bit of time here because this section took us about 15 minutes, people. And basically because the clutch alignment tool wouldn't actually fit on the spline properly. It basically wasn't stretched out far enough so that we could keep it in one place for then taking it over to the gearbox. But we got it sorted out eventually by just putting some tape around it so it was a bit thicker. And now your next clip hopefully will probably be us in the gearbox. So, stay tuned for that.
Oh, wait, I forgot a figure. You fucking dickhead.
Not bad. Taking that one out.
Have you got this on? Radio?
On radio?
No, that goes on the end of there, you idiot. That's why I put it in.
What about on radio?
The radio.
I've literally got it recording, so I'll play that back.
I just spin it a little bit. Right. Just so it lifts up a little bit. Right, that'll do.
Yeah.
Then put the next one in.
Yeah, the bolts are over by you.
What, you're knocking the thing? No, no, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Right. Get it here.
What are you on about?
How can you do it like that?
I can't do it any other way. I'm sat upside down.
Hold the gun down, fucking right way up here, look at idiot.
Alright. Fair enough. Do it again. That knows what you want to hear. Oh, smooth.
Grease on that. Put that grease on it.
Oh, the infamous grease brush.
What are we calling it?
Is that right? I have no clue how this is meant to look, so it just all looks. Now what, Dad?
After my bit, you can put it in now.
Huh?
After my bit, you get in yours and put that in.
What, the whole gearbox?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to like bench press it or something. But yeah. Right, let's get to the funnest part. Putting the gearbox back in. Oh, I don't think you get how long it took us to get this gearbox back in. We had to actually pop to where Dad got another type of jack from, you know, like the scissor lifts. And we basically used one of them eventually to jack it up, because we tried this wood method and it wouldn't work and it was extremely sketchy. So we thought it'd be better doing it like that, and obviously here I'm just showing you what it looked like, and it was bad.
The current state we're in.
Harry, on the saw table.
Yep.
Okay, we're back. And we've had a hell of a chew on, haven't we, Dad?
No.
No. But the gearbox is now, I would say, on, hopefully. Has it been going alright like Dad?
Yeah. Like a dream.
Like a dream. Or as I would call it, like a nightmare. Sadly, I didn't get half of it filmed because, well, we came back and I just forgot to film. So, I'll set the camera up now and film, I guess, while Dad fiddles around on the gearbox. You think he's doing something, but really he's just sat going.
You get that stuff in the socket, please.
Sorry?
A ratchet.
A ratchet? What size ratchet? What ratchet? There's your ratchet.
No, that one doesn't fit these sockets.
The big one.
The half-inch one, yeah.
Where is it?
It's probably in the set.
God, he's got some tone in him. I was supposed to be coming over to take over, but then he just stayed under the car. There you go.
Okay. Right. I'm gonna bounce you in a minute.
I actually went feel good at there. Right, I'll set the camera up now then. Checking back in. We're on the back end of the prop shaft now. We had to rotate the car around and
Rotate the car.
yeah. Oh no, not rotate the car, rotate the wheel. And now Dad's just tightening the last of the prop shaft. Then in reality the hard bit's done. So now after that all we have to get in is the cross member, the exhaust, full exhaust, and then I think that's it. I think we're nearly there, you know. What's he doing over here? Why haven't you tightened them bolts?
What?
Why haven't you tightened them bolts?
Because it was the one at the top. Couldn't get to it.
Will you stop banging? It's like watching an AI work this. A robot. Meet more. Beep.
Where's the bracket? Where's
Your bracket?
Yeah, the gearbox bracket.
Oh, so it's over there behind you by your feet. I'll have to go get it. We've got to last bolt and seems he might have cross-threaded it. Oh, it's already been cross-threaded, as Dad said. The very last bolt. Okay people, the bumperless car is now off the block. So now it is time. What's the time for, Dad? Oh yeah, as he said, enthusiastic. Can he start it? Chat, buddy. Come on, come back out because you'll be scared when it starts up. Thank you. Going alright?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You can hear a bit more noise. It's got solitaire flywheel in it.
Yeah. No, it's just because the faces you pull, I couldn't tell if they were your thinking faces or something was wrong.
You can hear a bit extra noise when it's on flywheel.
That's just a flywheel though, isn't it? That's not like...
It's a sex bit of vibration.
But you know what I can hear over our car? The Mustang pulling into the drive now. Alright, that is the end of today's video. I know there weren't many like action clips filmed, but as you've seen there, it works, it runs, it pulls forward, it reverses, it pulls back, and it revs quite nicely. The extra noise you might hear, that is because we have changed it to a solid shaft over the dual mass that I was in before, but that's just, you know, we say it as performance mods. A performance mod, solid shaft to run higher RPMs and all that jazz, you know. So they might add like a 1 horsepower to the car, who knows. That'll be the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, because all we have left to do now is get the bumper sorted, and that should be this car up and running, and hopefully we get it sold within enough time that we can get another one. Well, obviously we'll get it sold, because who wouldn't want this? And if you do want it, send us a message. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for watching.